undo it all the way so you get a better idea how much it really reels up.
Retract.
Keep slashing that.
Oh, hold this shit. That's gonna come at me.
Who's got the red deal? Red deals?
That was before or something else?
Before. It'll hold it and keep it from going in. See that? So all we need is one. All we need is one. Where's my chingus? You know what we're doing there?
Connected it?
Yep, just connected it up right here. Hopefully it's tight enough it'll get a connection.
Activate that shit.
Make a little, just spread it out a little bit, make a little tighter connection. Alright.
Oh, fuck that. You pull your jaw out.
Lay it on the ground.
Wire. You can use that to pull pins in. Be like a
Hopefully this thing will get a good enough connection. That connector's kind of loose in there, so hopefully we'll...
Yeah, you might want to get rid of that final destination boat over there. Just to be safe. Fuck being safe.
Don't stand on that side, fool. Stand over there or something. How many reels we got here? We got one, we got two, we got 3 spools. It's spooled around that thing 3 times. Okay, so that thing's about yay big, so you figure you got one, that's about that, so probably about that much belt right there went in. About that much, about that much, maybe a foot, foot and a half went in. That's a lot of slack right there. Look at that. Dang, so we figure it went to there. That's a lot. That thing's spooled up 3 times around that reel. That's a lot. Look, it's not hot. Go ahead. Yeah, now that thing jerks across your chest and down across your waist when the buckle cinches down in like that. Top weight's the airbag smack in the face. The side one maybe comes out right there. So you're deaf, you're blind.
Yeah. What if you're a big person with big thighs? Like I drove
this way?
Yeah, it did. It's gonna hurt.
That's gonna hurt. That's quite a bit, isn't it? Reels in